All right, time for another accessory. So, the second accessory I bought for the Tundra, another $13 and change purchase, is the blacked out Tundra 3D letters to do the tailgate insert. So, let's go ahead and slap these bad boys on. Going to, let's see here, get the proper angle. Hopefully you're not just looking at my Krizak. Sorry about the viewing angle. I hope that's okay. Can't really check it. Let me see here. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, it's just letters that you peel and stick, I think. So I got a little isopropyl alcohol in this white. Make sure it's nice and clean so it adheres nice. So I don't know if there's a I see. So I think you just pop it out and then unpeel. Yeah, you unpeel the peeling like a sticker. Yeah. Sweet. Easy enough. So easy, my 6-year-old could probably do it. I'm not gonna let him try though. Those crevices are going to be a good place for dirt to cake up in. Good thing I got detail brushes to wash it with. It's a nice, cool little upgrade you can do for under 20 bucks. I'd like to say it's unique, but I feel like half the Tundras I see have it. I think it looks pretty cool. Of course, they're available in chrome too. I got the blacked out badges, so gotta keep the black outlet going. I should have got the hitch locking black too. That was something I didn't think about. This paint, seems like there's a lot of orange paint on the tailgate. Might have to do some paint correction. I'm not too happy about that. Here we go. We got the A to complete the badging. There you have it. Looks sick. I love it. Pretty cool. So, 13 bucks. I'll do that all day, every day. Link in the description. Go Niners!